So diversity, to me, when we think about the Corn Belt, means resilience. It means adaptation to climate change. It means better economic health and social health for farmers and rural communities. And it means that we're also reaching a diverse set of people who are benefiting from all of those different changes.
So as an entomologist, I tend to approach diversity through that entomological lens. And ultimately what it really means is just overall abundance. So specifically within agroecosystems, the more diverse plants, the more diverse food resources, the more diverse habitats there are to support more diverse insect biodiversity. And that means more ecosystem services. So that means better pollination, which is going to increase your crop yields. It also means a lot better suppression of insect pest species. So a lot of insects love to eat insects, and if you are able to support those diverse natural enemies, you're going to have a much better managed pest population within your fields. But it goes a lot bigger than that. It goes well beyond agroecosystems. So more insects means more food, because insects are the keystone member of food webs for all of the terrestrial food webs. So it's going to mean more birds, it's going to mean more fish, it's going to mean more bats. So really, more diversity in crops means more diversity in insects, which means more diversity everywhere else. It just trickles right up.
Diversity has been shown to have lots of benefits in terms of not just sort of economic aspects. You diversify a portfolio of things that you do in your operation, your income streams to try and manage risk, but also has a lot of environmental and ecological benefits that contribute to resilience, not just resilience of an ecosystem, a farm as an agroecosystem, but also resilience of individuals and families and communities.
And of course, we do have diversification in terms of income streams, and that's where markets kind of plays a role, because if we have a selection or a portfolio of markets, we're going to have different income streams that farmers can acquire, so therefore they're going to be more sustainable and profitable long term.
So to me, one side of diversification is the final product. So in as much as we want to incorporate other crops into corn and soybean, these crops can also have diversified output. So like with oats, there is not just one product or output for oat, but when the oat comes, how can we modify it, or what diversified product can we make from oats so that there will be a diversified market out there for this output of oats or any other product that we incorporated these diversified farms.
There are a lot of stresses out there and a lot of vulnerabilities that are becoming sort of more and more apparent, it seems like, over time. And so those are economic, those are environmental, those are social and policy driven. And I see diversity as a way to try to find ways to improve upon or reduce those stresses and hopefully achieve other benefits that society is trying to get from management of land and ownership of land assets and the functioning of markets and all the other things that are going on.